Okay, now that I've convinced some of the silent majority that we actually have to whack some off of this crimp die, let's take a look at this. It's got a pretty big taper in here. There's a lot of meat to this thing. I don't know if you can see down inside or not. Well, we've decided that it's too tall. This plate is too tall by about 65 thousandths, so I'm going to double that. So we'll whack about 130 thousandths off. So I already measured 130. And let's see, I'll put a mark here. See what kind of trouble I get in here. Oops. I have to reach in front of the camera here. Alright, roughly there is where we're going to cut that thing. So, I haven't done this before, so I'm going to chuck this thing up in the drill press. Typically I wouldn't recommend chucking down on those threads, but it is only a cheap MEC part, so, and there's not enough unthreaded piece to get a good grip on it, so let's go that way. And if you can find my mark, yep, I see the mark right here, roughly 130 thousand. I'm going to take a little hacksaw, and the goal is to turn this baby on and just hold that saw and hopefully it'll cut it. Let's see what happens. I can't see the mark. There it is. It's not critical, but oh, little smoke. Slow down, Steve. We are cutting into that baby. I think a slower speed probably would have been better. I don't know if we're getting through this thing or not. Bear with me here. And now we're cutting. Uh-oh, it's coming out, coming out. Not quite through yet. That is pretty thick. There's a lot of meat on that sucker. Okay, I might have to stop the video, finish this cutting, and we'll come back.